Hey guys, in this section I'm going to show you how to disable the functionality where people can steal the images off of your website. And most people, even the non-tech savvy people, know how to do this. You simply hover over an image and click the right mouse button, click on Save Image, and you can then save it anywhere you'd like. And now we have our image. Okay, so we don't want that. We don't want people to be able to do that. So there's actually a very one second here. There's actually a very convenient plugin that we can use to disable this. So if we go over to, I'm just going to Google the name of the plugin, which is No Right Click Images WordPress. All right, so the name is very specific, and it's a really small plugin. Just uses some JavaScript, and you can see we have mostly 5-star ratings. The last updated date is very recent, relatively recent. Let's see, it's compatible up to version 3.5. 91,000 downloads, so you can tell it's a pretty legit plugin. So let's go ahead and download that. Alright, so I'm going to open that up and we're going to upload it to our plugins folder, which is in the WP content folder. Alright, so as you can see, it's very small. It took only a couple seconds to upload. So let's go back to our admin panel and go to plugins. And we want to find No Right Click Images plugin, and we want to activate that. And I'm not sure if there's any tools. Yeah, under settings, you can click on the No Right Click Images, and let's see, we just have a couple options here. We have an option to replace the image on right mouse click. We can prevent drag and drop, which is checked by default. We can allow logged in users to save our images, and we can stop saving on smartphones. So I'm just going to leave the default options, and this should be all set. So if we go and visit our site and we go down to this little guy with the key and we right click, nothing happens. So that's very easy to implement, and I'd really suggest that if you have a WordPress blog or a website. It just keeps, especially if your images are unique and you're a graphic designer, you spend all this time creating a nice graphic, and then someone comes along and just snags it from you and uses it on their website free of charge. So pretty easy to do. In the next section, we will go over how we can do the same thing with our text, so people can't just copy our text.